Today, we're going to show you a simple and effective way to track the number of visitors to your WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll have a visitor count feature up and running on your site in no time. Let's get started. Go to the Plugins menu. Click on Add New Plugin. Search the plugin name WPS Visitor Counter. Click on Install Now WPS Visitor Counter. Click on Activate. Go to the setting and on the WPS Visitor Counter. Select the visitor counter style for your website. Tick mark on Enable Users Today display. Remove the tick mark from above all these. Copy this sort code and scroll down. Click on Save. Go to the Appearance menu. Click on Customize. Click on Widgets. Click on the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon. Search and click on Custom HTML. Paste your copy sort code. Click on the Publish button. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about adding a visitor counter, to leave a comment below.